how to use でしょうか to ask a polite indirect question.
聞いてしまっていいんでしょうか。
聞こう。
And so here we have a little bit of a formal piece of language that you can use to ask a softer, less direct question. Kind of like a would you say, perhaps, could it be, or I wonder. It's used to ask a question in a very indirect way.
みんなは大丈夫でしょうか?
And so to use it, you just put it at the end of a sentence to ask a soft, indirect question. You can use it directly after verbs, like here, could I have a few minutes of your time?
すみません。突然ご迷惑でしょうが、少しだけお時間いただけないでしょうか?
Or like here used twice, I wonder, is the value of a person what they did in the past? Or perhaps what they're going to do in the future?
人の価値は過去に何をしたかでしょうか。この先何をするかの方が重要ではないでしょうか。
Or like here in Octopath Traveler 2, used in a more of a formal question.
落日の遺跡をご存じないでしょうか?
And you can also use it directly after e-adjectives by themselves, but just keep in mind that it is more of a formal piece of language. You'll see it used in more polite settings. Like in these examples, politely asking someone if they can have a bit of their time.
少しお話をさせていただいてもいいでしょうか?
ああ、ちょうどよかった。ちょっとよろしいでしょうか?
You can also use it following na adjectives by themselves, like 大丈夫でしょうか? I wonder if it's okay. Or ダメでしょうか? I wonder if it's no good.
ここで休ませておこう。今は先を急ぐべきだ。
置いていって大丈夫でしょうか。ダメでしょうか。
ダメっていうか、それって俺にどんなメリットがあるんだ?
And of course you can use it after nouns as well to make an indirect question. Like very commonly seen in polite speech, may I ask who you are?
どちら様でしょうか? 先生なら今は
高巻ですけど。
すぐ行くよ。
君たちちょっといいかな。
はーい、何かご用でしょうか。
おい、あんた。何かご用でしょうか。
時にアブローラ、お前も少し休め。
恐れながら、どのような意味でしょうか。
本物でしょうか。知らんわ。
And a really common way you'll see this piece of language used is actually following the explanatory noda or nda, or the polite versions ndes and nodes. So here creating a no deshoka or ndeshoka. And this use is a little bit of a stronger question. You're almost seeking explanation. So instead of I wonder, it's more like I wonder if it's true. It's just a little bit more interrogative because it's combining that interrogative language. And so you'll see this used as well following verbs by themselves, either as deshoka, a little bit more casual, or no deshoka, a little bit more formal.
私は命令に背いたのでしょうか。
いいんだ、エイダ。
その上で私たちが手伝う余地などあるのでしょうか。
お父さんは私を嫌いになったのでしょうか。
ここ、他に人はいないんでしょうか。
Same thing with e-adjectives, like here, I wonder if it's really what the teacher wanted us to see. Or I wonder if it's really okay that I ask you something.
先生は私たちにこれを見て欲しかったんでしょうか。聞いてしまっていいんでしょうか。
聞こう。
Now this time with na adjectives, be a bit careful because you need to make sure to include that na before no deshoka or deshoka. So 大丈夫なんでしょうか or a bit more formal 大丈夫なのでしょうか。
ジェリーさん、大丈夫なんでしょうか。
しかしこれだけ短期間に連続して犯行が行われているわけですが、シンラカンパニーは大丈夫なのでしょうか。
それより最後の一節は本当なのでしょうか。
And same thing with nouns as well. You need to follow the sentence with なのでしょうか or なんでしょうか。
姫、これがレイモンドの家なのでしょうか。
本当にアキラ様が犯人なのでしょうか。
思っていた以上に大きいですね。これは何なのでしょうか。
And so as you can see, deshoka can be used to ask a kind of indirect formal question. And because desho and daro are actually very similar pieces of language, just a little bit less formal with daro, you can use daroka in the exact same way. Like seen here in this example being used both with deshoka, and the person who's speaking a little bit more formally, and the person using daroka, here with the old man talking in a bit more of a casual way.
国王と王妃と どちらに似ておいでだろうか。
強いて言えば王妃様の方でしょうか。
And so, like seen here in Metal Gear Solid, Master, do you think we really are nothing more than dogs? So here it's not a direct question, yes or no, but it's kind of like I wonder if.
マスター、俺たちはやはり犬に過ぎないのだろうか。
And this can also be used in ways that you're not necessarily asking someone an indirect question. Perhaps you're even aiming that at yourself, more of like a rhetorical question. Like seen here in the opening of Nier Automata, I wonder if one day we will oppose them.
これは呪いか、それとも罰か。不可解なパズルを渡した神に、いつか私たちは弓を引くのだろうか。
So that's a very cool piece of language right there. De shou ka and darouka ka is kind of like an indirect way of asking a question. So you can see it translated as kind of I wonder, perhaps it is the case, could it be the case, would you say, dun dun dun. So hopefully you guys find that useful and helpful in you enjoying learning Japanese. A huge thank you to all the supporters on the Game Gengo Discord community, either directly through the Game Gengo website or on Patreon. You guys are the only reason I'm able to make these videos, so thank you so much for all of your support. I really truly appreciate it from the very core of my being. Thank you so much for allowing me to make these videos for everybody. I absolutely love doing this content, and I'm planning on covering the entire Japanese language on this channel, so I hope you enjoy everything that's coming in the future. Thanks so much guys for watching, and as always, I will see you again in the next video. See you guys.